Merhaba, hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode we are making famous breakfast egg dish of Turkey, menemen. It is specially served on breakfast in almost every Turkish restaurant in Turkey, but it really goes well in any time of the day. So let's get started. We have simple but delicious combination of ingredients. I have 2 medium-sized ripened tomatoes, about 1/3 cup Turkish white cheese when it is crumbled, couple of green peppers, sweet green peppers. If you like hot, you can use hot. I have 2 types, both are okay. Some olive oil and of course couple of eggs. First, I'm going to cut the green peppers. Take the stems and the seeds out. First half and then cut it half again. For the thin peppers, you don't have to do that. And I'm going to slice them thinly. In egg dishes, I always try to choose my pan size, depends on how much serving it will be. For 3 to 4 people, 23 centimeter or 9-inch pan size is okay. And this is my new pan I got from Kastamonu. I will share the vlog and where I did buy it from. I'm just going to saute the green peppers. And meanwhile, I'm grating the tomatoes. This is the easiest way I found to grate them. Just cut it in half without peeling it and then grate simply. I want my green peppers to soften, and also I want to add some extra more flavor, so I'm gonna add some butter. This is also from Kastamonu. Just about 1 tablespoon. And after it browns 3-4 minutes, adding the tomatoes. I'm going to cook the tomatoes until it turns to a sauce. About 3-4 minutes, you can see the changes now in colors. Meanwhile, I changed my mind and added some other cheese that I got from Kastamonu again. They call it cabaltı or çökelek. It is kind of cottage cheese. I'm gonna season my menemen with some salt and red pepper flakes. You can use paprika, sweet paprika if you like, or similar kinds of peppers. And here is the cheese. Just stir until incorporated and cook for 25 to 30 seconds. And we are ready to add our eggs. You can cook the menemen until this point and then wait until you serve. If you are serving with a Turkish breakfast, you can see how I prepare mine from the links. And turn on the heat again to serve it hot. Just add the eggs in the last minute. Just stir the eggs slowly, not too much, not breaking too much. You want to see some whole parts of eggs. And the heat is now at medium stage. You don't want to overcook the eggs after this point. This is also important. Just checking again after 30-40 seconds more. It might change, depends on your pan size and the heat. And here is our menemen, ready to be served. In the meantime, of course, I brewed my Turkish tea along with the Turkish breakfast table, some cheeses, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers and more. We were lucky to have some Ramazan bread since I put to the freezer for later use like this. In restaurants they usually serve it in a smaller pan for individual size, and you can eat like this, or if you prefer, of course, you can eat it with fork too. I hope you try this delicious traditional Turkish breakfast dish menemen at the comfort of your home. If you are planning to serve menemen to your guests as a breakfast party, I suggest you watch my video for Turkish breakfast. And please don't forget to share your comments, especially if you try my recipes. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.
Ormanın yolunu tutmasıyla plajda gün kaldığı yerden devam ediyor. Sakın beni ayrılmayın. 8 numarasında Alex ve Dolores var. Ait oluyor.
Şu camı 2 dakika kapasana,
Devasa bizon
soğumasın.
en yakın hedefe doğru son süratle koşmaya başlıyor. Korkudan ağaca çıkan bir korucu tehdit çıkarıyor. Diğer görevliler hala tehlikede.
Who has access to money and support.
The US has no respect for international law and order, as well as the views of our